Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this structure, 一边, 一边. It is used when we're doing two different things at the same time. For example, 我一边看电视，一边吃零食. It means that I eat snacks while watching TV. 看电视 means watch TV. 吃 means eat, and 零食 means snack. Now let's see one more example. 他们一边喝酒，一边聊天. They chat while drinking. 喝 means drink, 酒 means alcohol, and 聊天 means chat. Now please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. How to say he listens to music while taking a walk. It's 他一边散步，一边听音乐。散步 means take a walk. 听音乐 means listen to music. Now look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? How to say he looks at his phone while walking? We will see the answer in the next video. Now let's see the answer to the question of our last class. Although he has just learned Chinese for 1 year, he speaks good Chinese is 虽然他只学了1年的中文，但是他的中文说得很好。Did you write the right sentence? Okay, see you in the next video.